This video will detail how to install the ZeroPuck Molding Dummy on your model. To begin, place the ZeroPuck on the distal lateral aspect of your socket. Check for the most optimal position and placement for the ZeroPuck housing. Place the ZeroPuck housing as distal as possible. Typically, the best position is right at the apex at the curve of the distal end of the model. Trace around the ZeroPuck housing with a Sharpie. This will identify the location and the area that we need to reduce on the model. Assess the gap between the molding dummy and the model. Remove the housing and flatten the marked area with a Sureform. Create a flat surface for the molding dummy to sit. Test fit your ZeroPuck housing. Ideally, we're looking for less than an 1/8 inch of gap between the housing and the model. It will be necessary to drill a hole in your model so we're able to get a good vacuum pull on the O-ring seat of the molding dummy. Drill an air source underneath where the molding dummy will sit on your positive model. If you're using plaster, be sure to incorporate a paracord with Vaseline in the negative before it is filled to create an air source under the molding dummy. The ZeroPuck molding dummy has numerous air holes in the center of the dummy. It's important to spot glue only the corners of the dummy such that the air supply underneath the dummy and between the model is not restricted. Secure the molding dummy to the model with the post on the proximal end of the model. After the molding dummy is secure, apply electrical tape to the side of the dummy. This will keep the molding dummy free of debris and plaster, ensuring that the flexible inner socket is perfectly adhered to the dummy. Begin filling the gap between the molding dummy and the model with plaster. Use a broad transition from the base of the ZeroPuck molding dummy to the edge of the model. This broad transition will ensure that you do not recess the puck in the flexible inner socket. You can now remove the electrical tape. Finish the transition between the molding dummy and the model. You are now ready to begin fabrication of your socket.